Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Aya and everyone watch this video. My name is Muhamad Rizqi. Today I'm going to answer the question in the exercise 2. So this is the first question. What's the topic from this text? To find the topic, we need to remember that the topic is a phrase, not a sentence. And to make it easier, how to find the topic is find the words that the writer keeps repeating. So in this text, the words that the writer keeps repeating is the bacteria. And in another paragraph, the writer tells about characteristic of bacteria. So I think the topic in this text is the bacteria in general. Okay, the question number 2. Can you summarize what the writers want to talk about? Based on this text, I think I can make the summary. So, in my opinion, this is the summary from this text. Bacteria are an extremely small living things. Bacteria size is measured by microns. There are some bacteria that can move with flagella. Bacteria are influenced by the movement of chemical molecules around them. Yeah, go to the next questions. So this is the true or false questions, and this is the number 1. True or false that you can look bacteria closely with microscope? My answer is true, because the sentence is written in the first paragraph. Thus, if you enlarge a founded bacterium 1,000 times, this means we can enlarge a bacterium 1,000 times with a microscope. And in another paragraph, even with an ordinary microscope, you must look closely to see bacteria. This text tells us that we can see bacteria with an ordinary microscope. So my answer is true. Okay, number 2. True or false that bacteria look like a pinhead because its size? My answer is true. In the first paragraph, the writer tells us that thus, if you enlarge a founded bacterium 1,000 times, it will be just about the size of pinhead. Bahkan jika kau memperbesar bakteria sampai ribuan kali, itu hanya akan seukuran jarum pentul. So my answer is true. Next, the number 3. True or false that bacteria is barely recognized by human? I think the sentence is false. Why? Because in this paragraph, the writer is tell us about characteristic of bacteria, which means is the human also known about the bacteria. So my answer is false. Okay, the last questions, number 4. True or false that chemical molecules are affected by bacteria's movement? My answer is false. The sentence is written on the third paragraph. But in this paragraph, the writer tells us that bacteria are so small that they are influenced by the movement of the chemical molecules around them. Not the chemical molecules are affected by bacteria movements, but bacteria movements are influenced of the chemical molecules. So my answer is false. Yeah, so that is my answer. I'm very sorry if my English is so bad. I'm still trying to fix it. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.